Recently, I announced a crazy project where I'm writing a book to market and trying to learn how to do it without selling my soul. In this video, I'm giving a quick update on how things are going. What's up, guys? Just wanted to give you a quick update on my crazy project that I announced a few weeks ago. So, as you guys remember, I am writing a book to market and learning how to do that without selling my soul. I'm launching a new pen name in the urban fantasy genre, and I'm doing all of this in public. And I have no idea whether I'm going to succeed or fail. So quick update, I'm about a month in and 180 to 190 people have signed up for the course, which is just amazing. And I'm about 25,000 words into the novel. I'm about halfway. I think the novel is going to be between 50 and 60,000 words. So I'm about halfway through, and I've been posting chapters every week. So there was only 1 week where I wasn't able to post any chapters, but I was able to do some really other cool stuff with the course. So it wasn't a loss. And then I've been receiving really great feedback from everyone that's in the course about the quality of the course. So, am I delivering on the promise of this being the most thorough writing course ever? I hope so, but I've got really good feedback on that, and a lot of people are really commenting on the story, that they like the story, and also commenting on some of the advice that I'm giving in the videos, which is really cool because I am putting a lot of time into developing the course and making sure that it's as high quality as I could possibly offer. So I'm really enjoying creating this. I love creating courses. This is the first one that I've technically done. I've done a few little test free courses here and there, but I really enjoyed this process and the process of taking an idea and clarifying it and making sure that it's conveyed in a way that people actually learn. So it's been a learning experience for me, and so it's prompted me to take a good hard look at the channel currently on what I'm doing, how I'm packaging my content, and so there are going to be some changes coming on the channel here about the next month or two. So I can't talk too much about that yet, but it's coming. So I also got a book cover for the series. So I got my reader magnet cover done, so the freebie that I'm going to be offering. So I can't unveil that just yet, but it is done, and I'm excited, and I've got editors lined up as well. So things are going really well with this course, and I can't thank those of you who have signed up enough. And if you haven't heard of my urban fantasy course, be sure to check it out. So things are going great. I think I'm about 25 to 30% through. I think the course is going to run through the end of March, just because my cover designer can't start working on the book one cover until I think the first or second week in March. So that will take some time, but I'm going to start marketing here pretty soon. So if you want to know how to market a book to market, or market a book that's written to market, then you're definitely going to want to join the course if you haven't already, because I'm going to start talking about that. So this past week, I did some lectures on writing into the dark, so writing without an outline, and what do you do, and tropes, and all that good stuff. And so this coming week is going to be a lot of more tropey stuff, like what am I doing with my tropes, and how am I writing the series, and what's the actual process of the writing. Some chapter by chapter stuff, which will be kind of different and exciting for me because I've never done content like that before. But all that aside, I'm really enjoying it, and thank you for those of you who have signed up. And if you haven't heard about this course yet, it's called Write to Market Without Selling Your Soul. You can check it out in the video description or in the YouTube card above my head, and I hope you guys will take the time to join it. It's completely free, and it'll be free for through the end of March, and then I'll pull it down and make some revisions and then put a price tag on it. But just wanted to give you guys a quick update, and if this is your first time watching any of my videos, then probably watch another video. It's probably not the first video you want to watch on the channel, but I would love to have you subscribe. And thanks, guys, and I'll talk to you in the next video.